He'll pull himself back up. Oh, it's on your lip. Are you taking video? Jack, do you want to stand up again? Oops. There he is. Hi. What are you doing? Standing up like that.
Look at you, big boy.
How old are you today? You're 8 months old? Need some change? What is he, 8 months in a week?
Mm-hmm. Not even. It was 8 months like Thursday.
What do you think, buddy? Are you tired? Kind of sleepy. Oh, there's your dog. Let Buddy in. Buddy, come say hi to Jack. Bless you. You're gonna fall backwards. There's your puppy. No, don't open your mouth. Stop that.
No.
Stop that. He's really proud of himself.
Mm-hmm.
Good job. You're doing good. Are you cold though? Seems like that'd be a little bit cold. Jack, lots of people are gonna watch this video. Are you gonna get back up?
No, I think we're done.